Sasa mwacha gospel industry watu kama Ringtone Apoko, a friend of mine who I know his place and I know what he does from Thursday to Sunday. He changes women like clothes. Ringtone analala wasichana watatu per day.
Poa sana, uko poa? Mimi naitwa Davy Chams mimi ni fan wako number 1 bwana. Nimeona video, nimeona summon yako asubuhi.
Mbona summon yangu
Iko sawa bwana, iko sawa kabisa.
Hi guys, where's Daddy Owen? Where's Jimmy Gate? Where's Masi Masika? Where's Alice Kamande? Where's Gloria Muliro? Where's Eunice Njeri? The gospel music industry was the identity of Kenyan music. They have all fallen. Where is Bahati? Where is Willy Paul? Where is DK kwenye beat? The gospel music industry has failed us. I remember the days of Groove Awards, the biggest awards in East and Central Africa. And then the next thing I heard was that DK kwenye beat alikuwa na gonorrhea. Willy Paul is leaving the gospel industry. And now they're just having sex in Omondi. They have more scandals than the secular industry. We know what Willy Paul is doing. Bahati left gospel music. He's now singing secular. And is hanging onto his YouTube channel with his wife. You have left ministry. You have left God. You have left the church. You will never prosper. You will never succeed. The failure of Kenya as a nation is attacked upon you. The amount of sex that gospel musicians are having in Umoja, the amount of sex and fornication that DK kwenye beat and Willy Paul are having on a daily basis. Nimekutana na Willy Paul on Sunday with the yellow Mercedes. Una drive around ukitafuta watoto wa university. And you are a preacher. You are a minister of the gospel. Where's Masi Masika? I grew up with you. I ministered with you in Daystar. You used to sing and the Spirit of God, the Holy Spirit comes down and people will get saved. We have lost our touch with God. And the church has let down Kenyans. Do you remember Daddy Owen? Do you remember Jimmy Gate? Jimmy Gate anauza laptop, anachukua mamaid wasichana wetu, anawapeleka Saudi Arabia. All he does on Instagram is no longer ministry. Hi guys, are you a girl? Are you a lady between 18 and 25? I have a job for you in Saudi Arabia, where our girls are raped, our girls are dying. That is what Jimmy Gate is doing. Come back to your ministry. And you will not succeed, Jimmy Gate. It is not your calling. Go back to your talent. What is it that God gave you to do? Uliwacha kuimba. You are broke. Ni wote munaisha. Where's Alice Kamande? Kambua, what are you doing? Daddy Owen alienda mpaka Nigeria akashinda Mama's Award. Mr. Sid, you are trending now because of very immoral things. Nyinyi ndio mko na scandals za gonorrhea. You are trending for all week. Sijui nani amepatia nani syphilis. I want to give you a message from God. Whatever you touch, whatever you do, haitaenda anywhere until you come back to your initial calling. Bahati. Wachana na politics. Bro, come back and give us songs that are inspired by God. Songs that move the nation. Songs that influence youths. Barua, give us that. Mama, give us. Sasa mwacha gospel industry watu kama Ringtone Apoko, a friend of mine who I know his place and I know what he does from Thursday to Sunday. He changes women like clothes. Ringtone analala wasichana watatu per day. The most immoral people in Kenya are former gospel artists. Guardian Angel pia saizi tangu aolewe, we don't see him anywhere. And the rise of homosexuality in Kenya is because of you. In fact, some of you are part of it. And don't dare me. I can mention 10 of you who are homosexuals. You need to get back to God. You've turned Kenya into Sodom and Gomorrah.
Poa sana, uko poa? Mimi naitwa Davy Chams mimi ni fan wako number 1 bwana. Nimeona video, nimeona summon yako asubuhi.
Mbona summon yangu
iko sawa bwana, iko sawa kabisa.
Asante.
Alafu sasa maybe niweze kuuliza tu swali moja mbili Okay, can I share it on my YouTube first of all kabla tuendelee, because I want I can share. Alafu kitu kingine gospel okay, na unapigania sana gospel. Umetoka kwani umegive up na hiyo ingine ya secular, because we understand the gospel imeenda chini na ulikuwa unasema na unapigania hiyo ya secular pia.
Sema napigania secular. Kuna napigania yangu ni ya Kenyan music.
Yes.
Unakumbuka?
Nakumbuka Kenyan music, yes.
issue yangu si gospel ama secular. Issue yangu ni Kenyan music.
Kenyan music.
Imekufa.
Yes. Yes.
So issue yangu kwa Kenya ni gospel. Sasa personal to sasa the spiritual stories za Mungu.
Yes.
But unajua ukiongea ukweli.
Yeah.
Tukisema Kenyan music imekufa.
Yes.
The biggest culprit is secular.
Okay.
Ndio secular soko sawa, sio kina kazi tunafaka kuweka kwa Australia sasa hivi.
Yeah.
Yeye anashinda awards, hata wamefanya soul fest, hapo sawa.
Yes.
Watu wako sawa.
Watu wa gospel Kenyan music. So another thing ulisema ni kwamba nimeona tena umesema hapo ati kuhusu hii historia au jamaa sleeping around with women like akina Bahati akina Ringtone. Hello? Yeah. So history yao is it like true or no? Uliongea na that emotion and actually I felt it personally. Yeah. Ni kitu inaendelea. Okay. Ni kitu inaendelea. So what's your take on that, like solution? Because okay, tulikuwa kwa Kenyan music sasa gospel, because actually gospel imeenda down.
Gospel hakuna solution, lazima warepent, waache kulala, waache kuwa sex, waache kupombe, waache moral than now at secular.
Yes.
Ukiangalia utafikiri vitu watu gospel wanafanya hata tusikile wanafanya wanataka taipika. So that's all message yangu ni warudi back to walikuwa na kwa watu.
Yes.
Walikuwa na big events, walikuwa na kama celebrity, walikuwa na kisha magari makubwa, walikuwa ma celebrity.
Kabisa. Yes. Nakumbuka poa sana Jimmy Gates nakumbuka alikuwa na wika sana. Kwanza ile song yake ya kwanza akiwa na mkokoteni akisukuma iliua sana. Yes. Warudi back. Yeah, because na hii story kuna mwisho kimalizio ulisema you are if the day you can name even those who practice this homosexual thing. Anasema mwisho ni parting shot ya mwisho ulisema you can even dare to name those doing immoral things. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Warudi music. Okay. Yeah. Sasa bro, thanks a lot for your time. Na tunashukuru sana what you're doing because actually the especially gospel. Unajua gospel inakuanga face of the country actually. Na tujasikia mtu yote the likes of Muliro walienda chini, the likes of Masika, yeah. So thank you so much man. We shall advocate, we shall support you. To go behind you. Thank you so much for your time.